A friend in need. Suraj was a student in class 5. He was a studious as well as a naughty boy. After science class, he was cracking jokes with friends. As soon as his math teacher arrived to the class, he moved back to his place. The class started and the teacher was asking some questions to the students. And it happened. Suraj wet his pants. He felt very ashamed. He imagined what his classmates would think about him. His wet pants would be the hot topic of the school. His friends would talk about the incident for years. The girls in the class would never see him as his friend. The boys and girls would never speak with him. He would become the joker for everyone in the class. Suraj's imagination was going so wild. The math teacher noticed a kind of uneasiness in Suraj. She was watching him for 10 minutes and saw him in some kind of trouble. Suraj noticed that the teacher was watching him and tried to act normal. He felt that his heart would stop pumping very soon. He silently pleaded to Allah, "Dear Allah, you have to help me. In 5 or 10 minutes, I will be dead. I really need some help from you. Please come as my savior." The teacher again saw that Suraj was uneasy and she looked at him. He smiled at her. Kiran, Suraj's classmate, made a request to let him drink some water. Suddenly, Kiran from the backbench took his water bottle and started to move out of the classroom. As he crossed Suraj's desk, he accidentally dropped the water bottle. The cap opened and all the water fell on Suraj. It shocked everyone and the teacher rushed to help Suraj. He asked a student to get a towel from the staff room. His friends cleaned the desk and helped him. The teacher asked another student to bring gym pants for him to wear until his pants get dry. The act of ridicule suddenly became sympathetic. When Kiran tried to help him, he was cornered. The teacher scolded him for being so careless. And of course, Suraj was so relieved. He looked at Kiran, who stood silently in a corner. After school, Suraj approached Kiran and thanked him with all his heart. Kiran smiled and said, "Hey, I know, buddy. Because I also experienced the same few months before. I wet my pants."